Hi loves, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you this amazing device by Trophy Skin. It's their lift and toning device, and I wanted to do a quick little video so you can see the instant results that it actually does give you. So for me, I'm going to show you my eye area section. If you can see, I have kind of like this loose skin. Well, I shouldn't say it's loose. That's not really necessarily the right terminology, but you can see I have fine lines and wrinkles here that can become an issue for me as I continue to age. So this is why I'm going to show you how perfect this device is. So before I use the device, I'm going to take this microcurrent lifting gel, which I love because it's made with hyaluronic acid and Phytomoist Complex. So it's extremely hydrating for your skin, which is a win-win. So you're going to take this and then you're going to put it all over your face, or particularly in the areas that you're going to be working. So for me, I'm probably going to put it over here underneath the eye area. So you're just going to put a thin film layer over the skin. And so for me, I've been using this machine now just a little bit. So I am setting this to level toning number 5. Oops. Excuse me. And so now what I'm going to do is basically, okay, so I'm going to take this and now I'm going to, basically you can see that this machine is definitely doing the work, right? And then I'm going to hold it into the area. And now I'm going to obviously come over to the other side. And now again, you're going to want to hold it for 60 seconds in the spot that you're really targeting. But you'll be able to feel when it's time to move it. It will stop giving you that microcurrent feeling, and that is completely normal. But obviously, the side that I'm working on right now is definitely a little bit more heavy with the fine lines than my other side. But you want to work both sides so that it comes to be even. Okay, one more time. Perfect. And then you can see already in just that short period of time, do you see how those lines are even smoother? It's incredible.